Sharp painting. Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the boy and the little dog and tell a story. Once upon a time, a duckling lived in green and beautiful forest. Every day the duckling went to the pond with his mother and father and his sibling and swim on the pond. On sunny day, a strange thing happened in the pond. Many people come to the pond to have fun. That day, the duckling was swimming on the water of the pond with his mother and father and siblings. Suddenly, something big fell near the duckling. The duck looked surprised. Then he heard a boy's voice. "Hey, duckling, bring my ball." But the duckling, who liked the ball, did not care about the boy's request and started playing with the ball. At the same time, mother duck, father duck, and the duckling's siblings noticed that the duckling was playing ball. Daddy duck said, "My son, give the ball back to its owner." Mother duck said, "Daddy duck is telling the truth. Give me back the ball." But the duckling didn't care and started playing ball. The little boy said, "Give me back my ball." The little duck said, "I don't. I want to play ball." Suddenly, the duck's beak hit the ball, and the ball was pierced. The ball became small. Both the duckling and the boy were upset. Daddy duck said, "My son, go apologize." The duckling gave the little ball to the little boy and said, "Excuse me." The boy said, "What should I do now? I only had one ball." Then he started crying. The duckling cried when he saw that boy crying. At the same time, the boy stopped crying and said, "Duckling, you can cry too." "Okay, I forgive you. Now I will tell my dad to buy another ball and let's play together." The boy did the same thing, and after a while, when the new ball was bought, he started playing ball with the duckling. The duck promised himself not to break anyone's heart again. Today our story is over. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.